Hello, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your participation, for your watching, and for your subscriptions. I'm greatly humbled and so uh, excited about your presence here. In this new video, I want to show you how we use Google Contacts, and after that, you'll be able to save your contacts on Google. Why saving contacts on Google? It is important because it helps us to be able actually to save our contacts. Even if we have lost the phone, we can just retrieve our email and then we recover all the contacts that we have lost previously. That's why we advise everyone to save their contacts using Google Contact. What do we do always? This is what we basically do. We come to our Google. We're coming to Google. It is here. We type in Google Contacts. So this is what it will display when we say Google Contacts. For example, I am having 847 contacts that are saved using my email. And here I can access any of those contacts at any time. So when I want to add a contact, I'll press add new contact. So here they are saying that create a contact, then create multiple contacts. So if I want to create one, for example. So I will press create a contact here, and then it will run as we wait for it. Okay, it has appeared here. So you see our first name, last name, company, job title. So the person that I want to create here, if I want to add their profile pic, then I'll still place here. I've chosen this one. And if I want to, maybe they have a company they're working in, their job titles and everything. So all that I need will be here. So show more, the prefix, first name, the middle name, the last name, and everything. So you realize that you will type in the names that you want and everything that you really want, and after that you come here where there is save and save. Doesn't it look amazing? Doesn't it look beautiful? Obviously it is so good and wonderful. So it means that this contact that you've saved on your email will never be lost. Anytime, even if your phone is lost, as long as you remember your email, you will easily retrieve the contact, and at the end of the day it will be so amazing to you and so good and gorgeous. Otherwise, thank you for your watching, and I just wish you a blessed time, a nice day.